everyone, welcome to my channel, Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie, and to this video I'm very happy to participate in another challenge where several YouTubers for Flippers Furniture participate too. Ugly Duckling, hosted by Dessert DIY. My piece for this challenge is this vanity desk. I found it on the side of the road in bad shape. Let's go to see how I can transform this desk. My inspiration for this piece is this stool. Let's go to see the final work. My goal is not to take it off the whole paint because I'm going to paint over, but it's like corrige the imperfect has and take it off the most I can. I'm going to start with 80 degrees sandpaper on the drawers first. I needed to fix one more thing. The bottom of the doors is in really bad shape. I need to make new ones. After a good sanding and a good cleaning, it's time to primer. I'm going to use Jenser's Behr Shellac Primer. Fourth day I'm work on this piece, fix sanding primer. Today is ready to paint. I'm going to use Behr chalk paint in the color Napa Winery. I think I spelled good. Now I'm going to mix some paint with metallic silver. Now I have my metallic purple. I'm going to apply and wipe off. going to add this decoupage tissue paper fancy essence on the side. I'm applying the top coat polyester for apply my tissue. I'm going to protect my piece with master cleaning for metallic paints. Is the best, is a little pricing, but for the metallics is the best one. And I'm going to use a synthetic brush. Before I'm applied my top coat, I'm going to sand with my 400-degree grease. Guys, I finished the barrel, but I didn't like my work, and I decided to disassemble the mirror, and look what I found behind the mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I decided to disassemble the mirror. Look this. I'm so glad. I don't know if this happened to you guys after finished the work and it looks like not make a good work. And because look this, I really don't like this my work, because I'm so happy with the vanity. I sand everything down and make the vanity so gorgeous, and I found it. This mirror is from July, I don't know, 26 or 28, 1936. I'm so glad I disassembled all this mirror for clean up and make a good job, because I didn't. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So gross. Now it's time to make the puzzle, everything back on a mirror, but before I'm going to protect the mirror inside with feed wax. Now it's time to pour everything back. I love so much how this vanity turns out. Perfect match the stool on the vanity. I'm in love with this vanity. I want to keep this vanity for me. You remember this top before and now? I love the Decoupage paper on the sides. I'm so happy save one more piece of furniture from the trash and turn that so beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video like I did to make it. If you like the contents like this, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye.